Hey guys, it's Mao here. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, I am gonna be doing a makeup transformation using my new Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and also the Alice and Olivia lipstick and mascara that comes in the package as a free gift. So thank you so much Maybelline for the free gift. To start with the makeup, I will be using the No Shine Modifier from Quick Effects as my primer kasi as you know, if nanonood kayo sa mga previous videos ko, alam niyo na that I really have an oily skin. So yeah, kailangan na i-prime muna bago maglagay ng kahit anong product sa face. Next, let's proceed to the foundation. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 109. And also, I got the shade 235 kasi hindi ako sure kung ano yung tamang shade ko dito. So if in case na hindi tama, at least I have two that I can mix with para babagay siya sa face ko. So yeah. Kuha lang tayo ng konti and then let's try it on our face. So as you can see, parang bagay naman siya. So maybe hindi ako nagkamali dito. So I decided na i-mix na lang yung dalawa kasi feeling ko mas babagay sila kung i-mix ko siya. So feeling ko lang yun guys. Huwag niyong sundin kung hindi yung feel. So yeah. Let's work on our foundation. Now I am done with my foundation. So for my concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Superstay in the shade number 15. And next, for my setting powder, I will be using this Nichido loose powder in the shade Creamy Glow. And if you are watching my previous videos, so alam nyo na ito palagi yung ginagamit ko because this is really my favorite setting powder. Next, I will be using this dark brown color from my Squad Cosmetics mini eyeshadow palette in the shade Snaky, and I'll be using it to fill in my brows because as you can see, ang nipis-nipis lang talaga ng eyebrows ko guys. Next ay gagamitin ko itong LA Girl Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown to define my brows. And then, gagamit lang ako nitong aking mini BB concealer stick to clean my brows. So, ayan siya. At gagamitan ko lang din siya ng maliit na brush para lilinisin kung ano mang kumakalat sa brows ko to make it more defined and looking clean. And then I also put some concealer on my eyelids, and that will serve as my eye makeup primer kasi I don't have an eye makeup primer available. And for my eye makeup, I will be using this Nichido Makeup Collection eyeshadow palette. So, ayan siya. And to start with, I'll be taking this creamy color as my base. And as you can see, ayan, build up lang natin sa crease. And do the same on the other side as well. Next, I'll get this purple-ish color and ilalagay ko siya sa aking crease ulit. And next naman, I'll get this bluish color and I'll be putting it at the center of my eyelids. So, as you have seen kanina, hindi masyadong kumakapit yung eyeshadow, kaya I decided na basain siya ng konti, and I am using my Lux Organics Face and Body Spray para medyo basa yung brush natin, because I heard that kung medyo basa daw yung brush, mas kumakapit yung eyeshadow. So, yeah, we'll see if it works. And at this moment, I think it works. And then I'll proceed with my lower lash line. So as you can see, nilaline ko lang din siya, and gagamitin ko lang ulit kung ano yung mga ginamit ko kanina sa eyelids ko. For my eyeliner, as usual, I'll be using the Face Lady Liquid Eyeliner. Sa nakikita nyo, ito palagi yung ginagamit ko kasi ito pa lang naman yung nasa akin ngayon. Now, as you see, nakapaglagay na ako ng false eyelashes at ginawa ko siya off camera kasi it is really a struggle for me on how to put correctly the false eyelashes to myself. So, yeah, I think it took 30 to 40 minutes, I guess. So, by the way, right now, I'll just brushed up my real lashes para mas tumikit pa siya doon sa false eyelashes ko. Now, I'm just brushing the setting powder on my face, clear it up, and then I'll proceed to contouring and then blush in, and then lipstick, highlighter, and all. For contour, I will be using this BTLA Sculpt Trio. Basically, I'll be mixing the lighter and the darker brown. So, yeah. Now it's time for nose contouring, my favorite part, and I'm really obsessed. Yeah, contour is life kasi nakita nyo naman medyo pango yung ilong natin, so let's make it work. Pwede naman gawa ng paraan, guys. And for my blush, I'm going back to my Nichido makeup collection, and minimix ko lang yung pink and peachy shade. And yeah, ayan siya. Very pretty. And for my highlighter, I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Aura Glow. And nilalagay ko lang siya just above my blush. So, ayan siya. And also, I'll be putting some on my upper lip and also on my jaw. And of course, my nose bridge. Kasi, alams na. For my mascara, yeah, I know na naglagay na ako kanina, but I wanted to put some more to make my real lashes more aligned with the false lashes. And I'm using this Alice and Olivia mascara by Maybelline. and I'm really loving it. For my lips, I will be using this Nichido Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and gagamit lang din ako ng maliit na brush to line my lips kasi wala pa akong lip liner for now. For my lipstick, I will be using this Alice and Olivia collection by Maybelline in the shade Kissed. And tingnan nyo guys, super ganda. Ayan siya. And I'm really obsessed. I really love it. And super pigmented. And then, soft, velvety. And basta, sobrang ganda niya.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 다